Let me show you how to install this protection magazine. There are 6 different products here. These 6 products are mainly in the 2 categories of 2-pole overvoltage protection magazine and 3-pole overvoltage protection magazine. Each category has 3 slightly different products, namely snap-on without GDT arrestor, transparent cover without GDT arrestor, snap-on strap with GDT arrestor. First, install the modules onto the back mount frame. Next, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the modules, and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, MDF overvoltage protection magazines are used for LSA modules, which forms the protection circuit for the protection of exchange room equipment and personnel against overvoltage. They can solve the problem of short-term AC voltage being induced on external lines when power lines, power systems, or electrified railway systems near external lines fail, and so on. Then put the GDT arrestors into the overvoltage protection magazine. The housing of the magazine is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. And install the overvoltage protection magazine onto the module. Do the same installation on another 2-pole overvoltage protection magazine and module. Moreover, they are 10-pair modular design magazines. It's finished. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.